here. So cold and windy. There's the lake.
There's the lake. Where's the lake?
Okay. Later. Hey, we're approaching the lake. Sir. The houses here. Ganito itsura ng mga bahay dito. Halloween. Mga puno, wala, kalbo. Tapos, yan, magpunta kami sa lake. Sabi nila, mabaho daw yan sa summer. Ano tawag sa lake na yan?
Jessie Lake.
Jessie Lake. Okay. Now, we're on Jessie Lake. Grabe yung hangin. As in, grabe yung hangin dito. Ang tindi. Tawa to si Sharon, no? I miss you all. I miss everyone. Wish you were here. Bye.